The Chefman Obliterator Blender boasts an impressive 1,380-watt motor, effortlessly crushing ice, nuts, and frozen fruit with its powerful stainless steel blades. Its 48-ounce shatter-resistant Tritan jar is perfect for making large batches of smoothies and shakes, even accommodating hot liquids for versatile blending. The auto blend function intelligently adjusts blending settings, ensuring perfect consistency without any guesswork, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals. With intuitive dial controls, this blender offers 5 speed settings and a pulse option, along with helpful LED alerts for a seamless blending experience. Cleaning is a breeze, with the option to use the clean preset or simply place accessories in the dishwasher, thanks to its innovative and safe blunt blade design. Winning a prestigious design award, its sleek white matte finish not only enhances functionality, but also adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop.